Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this. So this is the tuned version of Volkswagen Golf MK1, and yeah, this one is the treasure hunt from I think the N case. So we did do unboxing of tuned Volkswagen Golf MK1 long back, I think last year around the same time. So when I started the channel, if you guys remember, that one is I think the yellow with red one. I really loved that particular one. So this is my second tuned version of the Volkswagen. So let's unbox and see how this one looks. Okay, here it is. So I'm personally, I'm a lover of tuned versions of literally every car. So this one looks really cute. So let's get to the details now. And see, overall the car looks really impressive and it looks really beautiful. And the logo placement is a little bit off, but it's okay. And the paint job is really nice. So they have the treasure and logo, like a vinyl here. That is really nice. So here is that TH logo again. So this one was actually very hard to find here, at least in my locality. Okay, so there's a small tire inside. I know it's fixed, but it still looks really cute. Okay, let's do a roll test. No, it doesn't even roll that. It doesn't even roll at all. So the wobble, the wheel, both of the wheels wobble actually a lot. Like both sets of wheels, both front and rear. It wobbles a lot. So you can keep this as a display piece, like a very cute display piece, but you can't play this on track. It's really one of the worst I have ever unboxed when it comes to rolling. So the body is made of metal and the chassis is plastic. The wheels are actually plastic. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe, and it would be a great help if you guys subscribe and support me. So consider subscribing and share if it is possible. So, and as always, thanks for watching this video, guys. Have a great day. Goodbye.